We're staying in our ground floor plan rev5.dwg file, and the layers panel is still pinned open. You'll also notice that I've zoomed to the extents of the floor plan in the model tab, and there's a reason for that. I want to be able to see all of my grid lines. Now, what we're going to do is going to create some layer states where we display the grid lines in a different colour. At the moment, they're that purple magenta type colour. So that's our existing state. So we go to the Unsaved Layer State drop-down, and we go Manage Layer States. That will open up the Layer States Manager. So we need a new one, and the new layer state will be Existing. And then we'll tab to the description field, and we'll call that Existing Grids. And we'll click on OK, adds it to the layer states list, click on Close. We now need to go to the layer properties. We could just go to the layer drop down actually, either works. I'll go to the layer drop down and scroll down. There's our grid lines there. I'm just going to click on that color square. I'm going to change the grids to red. And I'm going to click on OK, and you'll see they all change color. Now what I do is I go back here and go Manage Layer States. I click on New, and we'll go something like New Grids, we'll call it. And the description, we'll call it New Grid Color. Click on OK. So we've now got two layer states. Now you'll notice at the moment, New Grids is the same as the drawing. Yes. The existing isn't. That's because it saved that layer state with the purple grid lines. So if I now close the Layer States Manager and go to my Unsaved Layer State drop-down, we've got Existing and New Grids. If I hover over Existing, can you see what happens? If I click on Existing, it converts them back to the purple colour. If I go to the drop-down again and select New Grids, they go to the red colour. It's that quick and easy to set up layer states. And the good thing about that is any layer properties can be changed, and you can highlight objects on your drawings with specific layer states.